Hi guys, Mark from City Fleet SITRAK here again, and today I've got this particular unit. I'm going to take you guys for a walk around. I'm particularly excited to tell you guys about this truck. This is a combination I've spent many years in driving as a driver, and today I'm going to take everyone for a walk around it. So what is it? This is our new G7S truck and dog. It's a 19.8 metre PBS combination, and we're going to take you guys for a walk around it today. What is the truck and what are the updates? So internally, we've got a complete new update on the dash, and being Euro 6, now we've got the DPF on the side of the truck. So guys, right, what do we got here? We've got a set of Gorski bins. They're Hardox bins with a two-way tailgate. We've got well-mounted hoists and electric tarps. So Hardox bins, what can we do with that? So we can cart ags with that, we can cart rock and general waste, and it's a really good unit or a combo. If you've got a digger or anything like that, you can put your digger in the back. So it's just a well-rounded unit. Internally here, we've had a complete upgrade of the truck. Our display is now an LED display. Before that was an analog type display. Our head unit is a complete upgrade. It's a LED touchscreen. And our controls for our mirrors are over here on top of our door panel. So everything's at our fingertips. Of course, we've got adaptive cruise control with our controls here, and in our steering wheel we've got also controls for our head unit and our adaptive cruise control here as well. Now, one thing that's been added to this truck that wasn't in our previous truck was trailer brakes, which is a really important feature. We've asked for it and they've given it. So we now got trailer brakes on a separate lever in this particular unit. So now we can do a tug test on our trailer, which we couldn't actually do that before, which is great. Previously we had a fridge mounted on the floor in the middle. That's been tucked away under the bunk. So we've got nice easy access to a fridge freezer unit here and our bunk. So with the fridge gone, we've got nice easy access into the bunk, which for any of you guys out there, even if you're doing a 14-hour day, it's really nice to catch 20 minutes sleep if you need it. So we can do that in this truck. On the passenger side, we've got an ISRI seat. So that's a great addition for if you've got any passengers, or if you're a driver trainer and you're out there and you're in that seat, you could be in that seat 14 hours a day. So we've got an air ride seat on the passenger side. So it's all just additional driver comfort and passenger comfort as well. Up in the roof, we've got a roof mounted air cooler. We don't need to be running the truck to run our air cooler. So you can set that at 21 degrees, have a nap in the back, the truck's turned off and stay nice and cool. And this unit will run for about 7 hours. So that's it guys, that's a walk around. Hope you guys enjoyed that. If anyone's interested, give the team here at City Fleet a call and we're happy to take your calls and answer any questions. I hope you enjoyed the content. Thanks very much and keep on trucking.